Here we're going to look at try number 3 for section 2.3. So we're just looking to solve the equation by factoring. I'm going to use the zero product property and set the equation, start that by setting the equation equal to 0. So now I'm going to factor. I want factors of negative 20 that have a sum of 8. I'm going to go through these a little quickly. The instructional videos will be before this. This is kind of more just a review and to make sure you're doing these problems correctly. So we have factors 120, 210, and 45. We need one of those to be negative because we have a factor of negative 20. So that would be 19. That gives me 8, which is what I'm looking for. So this will become x minus 2, x plus 10, and set that equal to 0. Zero product property tells me that I can now take each of these pieces and set them equal to 0 and solve. So add 2 to both sides. We have a 0 of x equals 2 and a 0 of negative 10. So those would be our x-intercepts and the solutions to our equation. In part B, I need to move both of these terms over. And I like to try and keep the a value positive. Makes my factoring much easier. So I need 2 times negative 2. I need factors of negative 4 that have a sum of negative 3. So we make the negative 4 negative, so that gives me negative 3. So 2x squared plus 1x minus 4x minus 2. Factor in x, factor in negative 2. So we get 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now that I've factored this, I can use the zero product property and set each piece equal to 0. So here I would have x equals negative 1/2. And here I would have x equals 2. And that's it. But here you're just looking to factor, whether you're using factor sum or AC method. And once you factor, you would use the zero product property to set each piece equal to 0 and solve.